Good morning, everyone. I am so happy that you are here. Last week, I had the chance to go and visit one of our providers and take a peek into some of their classrooms. And this particular classroom that I'm going to show you used our resources in such a creative way. And I was just so excited to see what they did. They took our number 4 from the numbers math section of the resource library, and they took the pumpkins from the finger play pumpkin section of the library, and they used it to create their center chart. And what they do is they keep the number 4 on their center chart, and then every month they change the names of the students to match the theme, which I thought was so creative. And the students move their names to reflect which center that they are going to go to play in. What I love about this is it's a great visual. They see the number 4, they can count and see how many people are already in the center, so they can self-regulate their active learning centers during open center time. I thought this was absolutely brilliant, and I hope you enjoy. That's your name, and what do you do with your pumpkin?
We put it on the center chart.
On the center chart? What happens if there's a center? This one says blocks, and I see that there are 4 pumpkins there. So are you allowed to go to the blocks if there's already 4 friends? No?
I don't want to go to the block.
No? Okay. What else do you do with your center name? What is your favorite center?
All of it.
Where's your name? Can you show me your name?
Right next to Riley.
Michelle and Riley. And is your name Margaret? Yeah, Margaret, are you going to go to the library now? I see that you moved your name. Can you show me where the library is?
This is the library.
Oh, this looks like such a cozy place to read.
And this is where Riley's going to take our books from us. And then he's going to put it inside.
Is that what you do when you're all done with your books?